Midnight drifts and shadows call. One by one the visions fall. Past and future sorrowed days, hearts collide in icy haze. Oh, bells ringing. Oh, bells ringing. Shivering boy in the empty hall, snow falling soft by the shuttered wall. Golden haired love out of reach, coins for comfort love can't teach. Distant laughter, candlelight, joy spills out on Christmas night. Every table, every song mourns right and distant wrong. Midnight drifts and shadows call. One by one the visions fall. Past and future sorrowed days, hearts collide in icy haze. Oh, bells ringing. Bells ringing. Sun cracks through a frosted pane. Breath of hope dissolves the chain. Soft apology lifts the gloom. Shivers fade in Fred's warm room. Copper coins spill in giving hands. Grateful tears where kindness stands. Timid laughter raised with cheer. Years forgiven disappear. Morning breaks, the ghosts withdraw. Echoes slip from every floor. Sparks alight in memory's gaze. Winter melts in golden blaze. Heart singing. Heart singing. Lonely street dissolves in sun. New day blooms, what's lost is won. Threads of kindness spin ends the tears.